What's up guys, Brendan Hancock here with another episode of Groove Subaru today, and today we brought along this 2019 Subaru Outback. And today we're gonna show you guys how to shift your vehicle into neutral when your battery is dead. Let's go take a look. Now this is a 2.5i premium Outback, but everything that we say on this is going to reign true for any trim level of Outback. And it's also going to reign true for the Subaru Legacy as well. Now you may have seen a previous video that we did where we used a Subaru Crosstrek and showed you how to do kind of the same thing we're going to do here today. And everything that's said in that video is also going to be true for Subaru Imprezas, Foresters, and Subaru Ascents, as well as the WRX, STI, BRZ, those vehicles. But the Subaru Legacy and Outback have the location where you'd stick the screwdriver in a different location. So we want to make sure that we show that to you for those of you who own the Outback and Legacy. So without further ado, let's go hop inside. Now there's really only one tool that we're going to need to do this, and the nice thing is it already comes with the vehicle. So if we lift up the back tray area here and grab this little handle, this is where all your tools and things like your jack and all that stuff are located. But what we're looking for here is this handy dandy screwdriver. So this is going to give you, it comes with the vehicle, it actually comes with every Subaru, but this is going to give you kind of a Phillips head, and you can kind of pull it out like this, and also gives you a flathead screwdriver as well. So what we'll actually want to do is take that off, because we need as much length here as we can get, and let's go hop in the driver's seat. All right, so if you guys saw the other video that we did on the Crosstrek, there was actually kind of right here on the shifter knob, there's like a little cap that you can kind of pop off with the flathead side here. And that's the same for most of the cars, not the Legacy and Outback, but and some of them have, it's like a little cap you kind of pop off in the area of the shifter. Same concept, you're just sticking this down in there. But in the Outback and Legacy, this little, where your USB port is, this little rubber pad here, you actually just need to take that off right here. And I usually find it easiest, to actually use this tool, kind of go towards this top, it goes in like this, that top corner, use the flathead and just kind of pop that first one out, and it makes it a lot easier to take out. So now, if you notice when you look in here, you'll see three kind of rectangular spots, and that's where these kind of clip back in. And the other one that's down here is circular. That's the one we want. So it doesn't really matter which side you stick in, really. I'll just stick the Phillips head in. So I've got my foot on the brake. I'm sticking this in there all the way down as far as it goes, and then I still have to pull this little button here, and then I can just shift it right on into neutral. So you want to shift it into neutral so you can push the car. I really recommend, I'm going to shift this back into park right now, but I really recommend, having someone else with you, just so someone can sit in the car and touch the brake while the other person pushes, so it doesn't, you don't lose control of it. If you did have to do it by yourself, I guess under, extreme circumstances, just take things very carefully and very slowly. Maybe keep the driver door open so you can very quickly run in and hop in the seat and put your foot on the brake. So, but best case scenario, you'd want to have more than one person with you. So hopefully you guys found this video to be helpful. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give us a like below. And for more helpful tips like this and videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time on Groove Subaru Today. Take care.